guys, alright, so another camping trip, another time. It's February and the kids are on winter break, so I'm spending a little bit of time with them, and then I'm going to hit the woods. I'm going to go on the Appalachian Trail again, and the only reason for that, guys, I know oh, he went on the Appalachian Trail last video. This one's actually going to be, it's not a hiking video. This is a sit down. We're going to do some bushcraft stuff, make a couple of things, and go from there. I'm going to hike about a mile down on the trail to a nice little site that I know about down there, and we're going to get started from there. So, what am I taking on this trip? Let's see here. Got a couple of things laid out right here. First and foremost, Agua Canyon Barrel 21 saw, a must. This thing is a beast, guys. It's a beast, real workhorse, and an awesome tool to have, especially if you're hiking or camping or anything. Folds up really nice. All right, I did not do that gracefully. So here it is, guys. It's a workhorse. It's awesome and very reliable. Very reliable saw. Folds up nice and neat. So. And I am not the most graceful person putting it back together either. So, we got that. I'm actually going to take my East Wing axe. I know it's not a wooden axe like everybody carries. But that's what I'm going to take this trip. Set that down right here. Alright. Shelter. For shelter. On the last one, y'all didn't get to see it because everything died off. So, we got one 10x10 here that I took last time. It does not have the tie-ons that I was looking for. I'm going to take this just simply because I have a couple of projects I'm wanting to do. I'm going to get out there early and start them all up. So we're going to take this with us and do a couple things, use it as my ground sheet. This Coyote 10x10 from Bushcraft Outfitters is what I am going to be using to set up the shelter, and we'll go more into that on the next video. What I am trying out this time around is a Walmart Ozark Trail brand 40-degree sleeping bag. So, wish me luck on this one, guys. It's supposed to be around 37, 36 with rain in the forecast. So we will see how this holds up. As well as my headlamp. And I also have a protocol light that I got for Christmas. So it's actually really neat little tool. It comes with a bunch of little things. We'll go into more of that when we get out there. We're going to take that with us. We got cordage. Got a whole 100-foot roll, 550 cord. But we got the paracord, and we got another bag of some paracord and stuff that we're going to use out there. My knife. If you guys are watching my channel, I actually won a knife from Knight's Armory. Thanks, Jim. I appreciate that, buddy. And now I'm just waiting on it to come in. It's not supposed to come in until Tuesday. So, and the girls are actually out of school, so now I have a chance to get out and do a trip. So I'm still going to be using my SOG field knife on this trip, but the one that's coming from Knight's Armory, guys, he's an amazing guy. He definitely knows what he's doing. Check out his channel. Check him out on Instagram as well, and you can see what I'm talking about. But that is what we're going to take this time around, and expect more videos from that new knife that I'm coming in. Alright, water purification. My last video, I was using a Life Straw. And I actually went and got a Sawyer purification system. A lot of you guys were talking to me about it. Wanted to try it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both. And we're going to compare both on the trip and see how it does. Got all that. As for my mess kit, down and dirty simple, guys. Have spork in here. Fold this thing out. Nice little pan. Itty bitty little pot. Okay, itty bitty little pot. I'm only going for a night, and I want to try it out. So we're going to take that nice compact little deal. Let's see here. We got fire strip rolls. I'm only going to take one. Actually got these not too long ago, but I got 3. I'm only going to take this one. That's all I'm really going to need, guys. I'm only going for a night. If I can't get a fire started with this, then I got other issues other than that. So I do want to play around. Got a fat rope stick as well. Ordered that in 3s, so we're going to go test all that out this week. And let's see what all am I missing here. What all am I missing? Gloves for the fire. Take those with me. My schmog is going as well, of course. Let's see here. I want my camera equipment. Actually got a new hat, guys. I got a new hat. Actually went up on a family trip and we picked this out. What do you think? Think it fits me, guys? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm actually going to take this with me, I think. I'm going to take this with me and have some fun with that. Let's see. This, guys, is also, this is going to be my food, mostly. It's going to be the Peak Refuel. Those guys hooked me up as well. They sent me a couple of things, a nice little box. So I'm going to be eating a bunch of this stuff. I actually had, it was a box of 6. Yeah, 6. And the chicken Alfredo was awesome, guys. It's definitely not Mountain House. It's a step above. So we're gonna try these out and show you guys how those are when I get out there. I think that's it, guys. We got all that. Bags. What am I carrying it in? What am I carrying it in? Okay. I have 2 choices and I need you guys' help. Okay? Because whatever you guys pick is what I'm going to take with me. I have 2 bags. I've got the North Face Terra 50 bag. It's a 50-liter bag. Does not have as many tie-ons as I would normally like. Perfect overnighter bag. It's 50 liters. Not exactly what I would pick on a longer trip, but for an overnighter it's perfect. Or, got that. Alright. Now this here, guys, this thing's a monster, okay? This thing is a monster. It's Alps Outdoors. Got this one for Christmas as well. I have not tried it out. The Terra 50 is what I took on the last one. It worked out really well. Normally, I would not take something this big on an overnighter. It's an 85-liter pack. So, you guys pick. This is all the stuff I'm going to carry. I'm going to carry an extra pair of clothes because it's supposed to be raining. But, that's going to be it, guys. So, got all this right here. So, y'all pick. Alps Outdoors or North Face Terra 50, and I'll read down in the comments before I go, and you'll see whichever one wins when I post the video. And that's it, guys. That's what I'm going to take with me, along with my bone cup. If you haven't seen my bone cup, not following me on Instagram, McCartney Survival. So check me out there on Facebook as well. it's just a nice little present. So definitely going to take this just for the fun of it. So got the phone cup. Let's see, let's put this thing on. Finish this up nice and neat. Alright, phone cup, got my hat, and that's all I need, right guys? Thanks for clicking on the link, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, let you know when I post up new stuff, and enjoy. And let me know, Terra 50 or the Alps. Alright guys, I will check back in with you guys when I get done, and let me know.